All right, everyone, here's a 6-month review of the Durango. So you can see how much the car has lowered and settled down since we did all that work last fall. There's your final result. And it'll probably even settle just a bit more over the next day, I bet. And it is really sitting freaking nice. Like, the stance on the car is great. It still handles really good. It actually feels even more like it's on rails. The suspension, the rebound, it's not stiff going down the road any more so than it used to be. So the ride quality was completely unaffected, but it just looks freaking killer. I mean, you can see that I can get maybe 2 fingers in above there, about 3 here above in the rear. So quality of the stance, the way it looks now, she looks mean, low and mean. A couple things we still have left to do on the car. I'm gonna get a chin splitter, install it here on the front. Got an RT badge that is gonna glow. We got to put in here on the grill still, and a couple other little things. But you guys follow the channel, you know that we do a lot of stuff at once. So obviously those little minor things have kind of taken a back seat to some other projects going on. But that is your 6-month review. The Durango is low and mean. Really glad that we did this install. It looks great. It was a real butt kicker when we did it, but hopefully you guys watched the earlier video if you're interested and saw how we did it. And honestly, totally worth it in the end because she looks freaking killer. Alex is not going to enjoy that the car is dirty for this video. It's kind of just a cold Utah winter here, and you can see some snow blowing in. You can also see the Borla exhaust that we did last year. Still looks really good, sounds good. The Proxies tire letters that Alex put on there with her brother Andrew still look pretty good. Overall, they've kind of deteriorated, weathered a little bit, but we keep up with having to re-glue them maybe every couple of months, just a little corner here and there, not the whole thing, just little touch-ups. But that is your review right there. And that's how she's looking. So thank you guys for watching these videos, and stay tuned for more stuff we do. What do you think you're doing?